Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So from the book Periwinkle, a book of science and technology by Coral Publisher, we are starting chapter number 8. And the chapter number 8 is electric current and its effect. So let's go ahead. So first of all, learning outcomes. After learning this chapter, students will be able to explain the working of an electric circuit, कैसे एक electric circuit work करता है, describe heating effect of electric current, describe the working of electromagnets and explain the structure and working of an electric bell. Identify various symbols of electric components and describe magnetic effect of electric current. So, introduction. An electron is an atomic particle carrying a negative electric charge. Electron exists in all atoms. Electrons subatoms में होते हैं and can be removed from the atoms of certain elements quite easily. So, the free electrons can then be pushed along through substances called conductors. Such a movement of electrons in a conductor is called an electric current. So, in conductors में जब electrons की movement होती है तब उसे कहा जाता है electric current. Thus, electric current also called electricity. Electric current को हम electricity भी कहते हैं. is the flow of charge. ये electrons का flow है, okay, through a conducting wire in a unit time. एक unit time में एक conducting wire में electrons के flow को हम electricity कहते हैं. There are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. The SI unit of current is ampere. Okay, so current की SI unit है ampere and ammeter is used to measure the electric current in a conductor. Current conductor में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को मेजर करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं एमीटर का. सो एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज अ स्ट्रीम ऑफ मूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, द पाथ अलोंग विच द मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टेक प्लेस इज कॉल्ड एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. सो वो जो पाथ जहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव करते हैं उसे हम इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट के नाम से जानते हैं. To obtain a continuous current along a conductor, a continuous supply of electrons should be available at one end. Okay, so अगर हम चाहते हैं कि continuous current जो है वो कंडक्टर में चलता रहे तो हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की नेगेटिव चार्ज की सप्लाई एक एंड पर कंटिन्यूस चाहिए and a continuous supply of positive charge at the अदर, और दूसरी साइड पे हमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज की कॉन्टिन्यूस सप्लाई मिलनी चाहिए. द कॉन्टिन्यूस सप्लाई ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज एट द वन एंड ऑफ अ कंडक्टर ऑफर्स अ मीन ऑफ एस्केप फॉर द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, सो जो पॉजिटिव सप्लाई है हमें जो कंडक्टर के दूसरे एंड पर हमें मिल रही है ये हमें मीन्स ऑफ एस्केप फॉर द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफर करती है. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए ये एक मीन्स ऑफ एस्केप है. इफ दिस इज नॉट प्रोवाइडेड, अगर ये प्रोवाइड नहीं होगी, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल एक्यूमुलेट एट द एंड ऑफ द वायर एंड देयर रिपल्शन बैक अलोंग द वायर विल स्टॉप द करंट. ओके, और जो उनका रिपल्शन होगा फिर वो करंट को वायर में स्टॉप कर देगा, आगे नहीं जाने देगा, कॉन्टिन्यूस नहीं रखेगा. Direction of flow of electric current is that in which positive charges move in a conductor. Okay, so जो electric current के flow का direction है is that in which positive charges move in a conductor. The direction of flow of current is from the positive terminal of the source to the negative terminal. So, कैसे चलता है? पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव की तरफ. अ कंडक्टर हैविंग एक्सेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, ओके, जिसमें बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हों, इज सेड टू बी एट अ लोअर पोटेंशियल, वेयर एज अ कंडक्टर हैविंग अ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज सेड टू बी एट अ हायर पोटेंशियल. an electric current flows from a higher potential to a lower potential. You can see here flow of electron and direction of electric currents. So this is axis of electrons, deficit of electrons, flow of electrons, electric current. So electric circuit क्या होता है बच्चों? The electric circuit is an unbroken और continuous path. ये एक unbroken और continuous path है through which electric current flow, जिसमें से electric current का flow होता है. An electric circuit consists of a cell or battery, a bulb, connecting wires and a key or switch. An electric circuit is an unbroken path followed by electric current to flow from a dry cell or battery source to a bulb using connecting wires. When the source is connected properly with a bulb, जब एक source bulb के साथ properly connect हो जाता है, the bulb glows. Okay? When the bulb glows, the circuit is said to be closed. If the bulb does not glow, the electric circuit is said to be open. तब कहा जाता है कि electric circuit open है. An electric circuit uses a switch to close or open it. When the circuit is closed, the flow of electric current takes place, but not when the circuit is open. Okay? So this is, ये cell है, switch on, cell, bulb glows. So switch off, bulb does not glow. Symbols of electric components. अब electric components के symbols क्या क्या होते हैं? An electric circuit is represented by a circuit diagram that uses symbols for different electric components. Some of the commonly used symbols for the electrical components used in electric circuits are shown in the following tables. You can see here cell, battery, bulb, switch, plug key and wire. These are the symbol of electric components. Electric cell. The symbol for an electric cell is a long and short but thick parallel line. The longer line shows the positive terminal, whereas the thicker and shorter line shows the negative terminal. आप देखते हैं ना कि एक साइड पॉजिटिव प्लस का साइन होता है और एक साइड माइनस का साइन होता है. सो पॉजिटिव प्लस एंड नेगेटिव माइनस. Switch. The on switch shows the closed circuit and the off switch shows an open circuit. Battery. Two or more cells are connected together in series to form a battery. Note that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Placement of cell in the battery is shown by a dashed line as you can see here. You should keep in mind the wires should not have gaps. Wires में gaps नहीं होना चाहिए and the switch or key can be placed anywhere in the circuit. You can see here open circuit, closed circuit, right? So electric circuit using symbols of electric components. Now heating effect of electric current. If you touch a bulb of a torch when it is lit, जब ये जली हुई है या जब ये on है, you will feel that it becomes warm after few minutes. Okay, आपको लगेगा ये थोड़े टाइम बाद गर्म हो गई. The reason is that the filament in the bulb, जो bulb के अंदर filament है, gets heated up when the current passes through it. वो heat हो गया जब उसमें से current pass हुआ. This is the heating effect of the electric current. There are many appliances of heating effect of the electric current. For example, electric iron, electric geysers, room heaters, hair dryers, electric kettles, electric heaters and electric ovens. All these electrical appliances contain a coil of wire called an element. Okay, इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Element. When an electric current passes through the element, जब electric current element में से pass होता है, it gets heated up, okay, and becomes red hot, giving out heat. वायर्स यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट डू नॉट बिकम हॉट, जो इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट के अंदर वायर यूज होती है वो हॉट नहीं होती, वेयर एज द फिलामेंट ऑफ द बल्ब बिकम सो हॉट दैट इट गिव्स आउट लाइट। Whenever an electric current flows through a conducting wire, जब एक conducting wire में से वो flow होता है component या device में से, it produces heat, okay, heat produce होती है। The amount of heat produced depend upon the following things, जो heat का amount है वो इन चीज़ों पे depend करता है। Cross section of the wire, कितना cross section है, thinner the wire more is the heat produced and vice versa, okay, जितनी वायर थिन होगी उतनी ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी। टाइम ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट, longer the time for which the current flows more is the heat produced, and amount of current, greater is the amount of following current more is the heat produced, जितना ज़्यादा अमाउंट होगा करंट का उतनी ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी। So overloading is caused due to excessive current in a circuit, जब सर्किट में excessive current होता है तब होती है overloading। For example, connection of several electric appliances in one socket, अगर एक सॉकेट में बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस का कनेक्शन हो so it can cause overloading। Short circuit is caused due to intermingling of electric wires, जब इलेक्ट्रिक वायर की इंटरमिंगलिंग होती है तब शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है। Whose insulation has come off due to wear and tear। इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज, अब इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज क्या है? If you attach a toaster, an electric heater, an electric iron and an electric coffee maker to the same circuit, आप सेम सर्किट से सब कुछ अटैच करो, द वायर्स कुड बिकम ओवरहीटेड, ओके, हो जाएंगे ओवरहीट एंड स्टार्ट अ फायर। टू प्रिवेंट दिस ओवरहीटिंग, ईच सर्किट इन अ हाउस इज प्रोवाइडेड विद अ फ्यूज, वो ओवरहीटेड ना हो जाए इसीलिए हर सर्किट में फ्यूज प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। फ्यूज प्रोटेक्ट द हाउस फ्रॉम शॉर्ट सर्किट्स, फ्यूज हमारे घरों को शॉर्ट सर्किट से बचाते हैं। अ फ्यूज इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्किट, एक सर्किट का पार्ट है विच प्रिवेंट्स टू मच करंट फ्रॉम फ्लोइंग, ओके, जो बहुत ज्यादा करंट फ्लो होने से रोकता है। ओके, यू कैन से एन इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज। अ फ्यूज इज अ शॉर्ट पीस ऑफ वायर मेड ऑफ एन alloy of lead and tin or a low melting alloy that melts easily. Different fuse wires may have different thickness, okay, thickness इनकी अलग अलग हो सकती है। More the thickness of the wire, more is the electric load it can withstand. जितनी ज़्यादा वायर थिक होगी उतना ज़्यादा ये इलेक्ट्रिक लोड ले सकता है। If the circuit carries a load that is too large, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा है, the fuse wires melts, fuse wire melt हो जाती है, breaking the circuit and stopping the current, ओके, और वहां पर करंट को स्टॉप कर देती है लेकिन शॉर्ट सर्किट नहीं होने देती। द फ्यूज वायर मेल्ट, कब मेल्ट होती है? इफ द सर्किट कैरीज अ लोड दैट इज टू लार्ज, देयर इज शॉर्ट सर्किट एंड देयर इज एनी फ्लक्चुएशन ऑफ करंट, करंट का फ्लक्चुएशन हो इन पावर सप्लाई सिस्टम में। वी शुड नेवर रिप्लेस और रिपेयर द फ्यूज वायर आवरसेल्व्स, हमें नहीं करना चाहिए। An electrician or an adult can help us out. Nowadays, CFLs, compact fluorescent lamps, are used in place of bulb, right? CFLs use होते हैं। Electric bulbs give out light as well as heat, which is not required and is wastage of electricity. CFLs reduce this wastage and get fixed in ordinary bulb holders. मिनिएचर सर्किट ब्रेकर्स, MCBs, MCBs क्या होती हैं? होती है ना ये MCB, हम ऊपर करते हैं नीचे करते हैं। These days miniature circuit breakers और MCBs are used in place of fuses. Fuses की जगह हम इन्हें यूज़ करते हैं आजकल। When an excessive current flows through them, जब बहुत ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो होता है, their switch turns off automatically, उनका स्विच अपने आप टर्न ऑफ हो जाता है। This switch that then has to be turned on to get power back. अगर हमें वापस से पावर चाहिए तो हमें इन्हें फिर से ऑन करना पड़ता है। We should always use MCB with ISI mark on them. Now, for the additional safety of electronic appliances such as amplifiers and CD players, a fuse wire is used, which is enclosed in a thin cylindrical glass tubes and is soldered at two metallic caps provided at both ends of a tube. This is called a cartridge type fuse. Magnetic effect of electric current. In 1820, a Danish physicist Christian Ørsted established the relation between electricity and magnetism. उन्होंने रिलेशन एस्टैब्लिश किया इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और मैग्नेटिज्म में. ही एक्सपेरिमेंटली शोड दैट अ मैग्नेटिक कंपास placed near a conducting wire shows deflection when current flows through the conductor. That is, the electric current flowing through a conducting wire develops a magnetic field around it. वो अपने आसपास magnetic field बना लेती है. क्या कि जो करंट फ्लो होता है कंडक्टिंग वायर में वो अपने आसपास एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बनाती है. We say that electric current has included magnetic effect around it. Now, solenoid. A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in a shape of a cylinder is called a solenoid. So, when the flow of electric current stops through a conductor, जब ये रुकता है, the magnetic property also vanishes. वो भी चली जाती है. A coil of wire carrying current acts as a solenoid. The strength of a solenoid depends on the area of the cross section of the solenoid. Thinner the wire, more is the heat produced, and vice versa. The amount of electric currents passing through it, larger the amount of electric currents, greater is the magnetic effect, and vice versa. The number of turns of the coil. More is the number of turns of the coil, greater is the magnetic effect of the solenoid. जितने ज़्यादा टर्न्स होंगे, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स होंगे कॉइल के, उतना ही ज़्यादा मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट होगा. द नेचर ऑफ द मटीरियल ऑफ द सोलेनॉइड वायर, a good conductor of electric current, makes a better solenoid than a poor conductor. When a soft iron rod is placed horizontally inside a solenoid, it behaves like a magnet. A solenoid with the electric currents flowing through it acts as a strong electromagnet. एक जो solenoid है with the electric current flowing through it, इसमें जो electric current flow हो रहा होता है उसके साथ ये एक्ट करती है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट की तरह. वन एंड ऑफ द सोलेनॉइड अट्रैक्ट्स अ बार मैग्नेट. एक एंड इसका बार मैग्नेट को अट्रैक्ट करता है. व्हेन ब्रॉट क्लोज टू इट, जब उसके पास लाया जाता है विद नॉर्थ पोल फेसिंग इट, while the other end repels it, दूसरा उसे रिपेल करता है. The north pole of a solenoid is the end connected to the positive terminal of the battery, whereas the south pole is the end connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Electromagnets. An electromagnet works, एक electromagnet work करता है on the magnetic effect of current. Okay? Current के magnetic effect पर. When electric current is passed through a solenoid, a magnetic field is produced. एक magnetic field बनता है. It is found that if a soft iron rod is placed inside a solenoid, the strength of magnetic field increases because the iron gets magnetized. Okay, this is solenoid. By wrapping a large number of turns of insulated wire around a soft iron core, a very powerful magnetic effect is obtained when a small current is passed. When the current is turned off, the core loses its magnetism. If the current is reversed, अगर current reverse होता है, the polarity is also reversed. Such an arrangement is termed as electromagnet. Thus an electromagnet is a temporary strong magnet. ये एक temporary strong magnet है. Uses of electromagnets. Electromagnets are use किए जाते हैं in separating the magnetic material such as iron, nickel and cobalt from the garbage heaps. Okay, they are used in making electromagnetic cranes that are used to pick heavy magnetic objects. Okay, you can see here separating magnetic material from a heap. Electron magnets are used in making electrical appliances such as electric bells, telephones, audio players and recorders. An audio tape has a fine layer of a magnetic material on its surface. When we play an audio tape, the fine magnetic particles align themselves in a specific order and produce sound. Electromagnets are used in surgery to remove foreign objects such as iron from a patient's eyes. Electromagnets are used in electric motors which are used in washing machines, fans, refrigerators, etc. Electric motor. Now electric bell. We have electric bell at our home. We use electric bells when we visit someone's house. Okay, आप सब use करते होंगे. An electric bell is an electrical device. ये एक electrical device है that works by the action of electric current and the induced magnetic effect. Working of an electric bell. The main parts of an electric bell are electromagnet, a U-shaped soft iron core, armature, screw, hammer and a gong. When the switch is pressed, the electromagnet gets activated and attracts the armature. Okay, the hammer attached to armature goes to hit the gong. वो gong को hit करता है and produces the sound और sound produce होती है. The pulling of armature to the electromagnet also simultaneously breaks the circuit such that the armature is no longer attracted by the electromagnet. The current stops flowing through the coil and it is no longer an electromagnet. It no longer attracts the iron rod which comes back to its original position and touches the contact screw. The circuit is complete. The current flows in the coil and the hammer strikes the gong again. Every time the circuit is completed, the bell rings. Okay? एक बार हमने बेल बजाई, circuit complete. फिर दोबारा बजानी है तो हमें फिर से वही करना है, फिर से वो सारा प्रोसीजर होगा. Okay? So, every time the circuit is completed, the bell rings. Okay? इस तरह से आप देख सकते हैं. Now, children, we are done with the chapter reading and here are the new words. Let's read it. Electric cell, a source of electric current. Okay. Electric circuit, the unbroken path through which an electric current flows. Circuit diagram, a diagram showing the path of flowing current in a circuit with symbols of electric components. Elements, a coil present in an electrical appliances, जो electrical appliances में होती है, which gets heated up, जो heat up हो जाती है on passing on electric currents through it. Electric fuse, a safety device that prevents flow of excessive current in a circuit. Solenoid, a coil of wire that acts like an electromagnet when current flows through. Electromagnet, a coil wrapped around an iron rod which behaves like a magnet when electric passes through it. Let's wrap up the chapter with some important points. The amount of electric current carried by a conductor is called an electrical charge. Okay? So, an electrical circuit is the unbroken or continuous path through which an electric currents flow. When an electric current flow through a conducting wire, it heats up the wire. This is called heating effect of the current. Appliances like geysers, iron, hot plates, heaters, etc. work on the heating effect of current. An electric fuse is a safety device that prevents the excessive amount of electric current flowing in any appliances or device. When an electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called magnetic effect of the electric current. An electromagnet consists of a current carrying coil of an insulated wire wrapped around a piece of soft iron. Electromagnets are used in many devices like cranes, telephones, electric motors, electric bells, etc. Let's go. Exercise time. Question number A. Tick the correct option. Point 1. A cell is a source of conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. Which of the following appliances does not work on the principle of heating effect of current? Heating, geyser भी heat होता है, iron भी and bulb भी. So, the correct answer is electric bell. Which of the following is used for making filament of a bulb? Tungsten. Which of the following is used to put the current on and off in an electric circuit? किससे करते हैं? Switch से, right? On and off. Which of the following is not an insulator? Iron is an insulator because it gets heated up. A fuse wire has low melting point. Point 7. Which of these statements is not correct in the case of an electric fuse? A fuse is inserted in an electric circuit of all buildings. There is a maximum limit of current which can safely flow through an electric circuit. Yes, these all two correct. There is a minimum limit of the current which can safely flow in an electric circuit. If a proper fuse is inserted in a circuit, it will blow off if current exceed the safe limit. So, कौन सा जो statement है वो correct नहीं है? This is C statement. In an electric circuit, the bulb will glow if the circuit is closed. When a switch is in off position, circuit starting from the positive terminal of the cell stops at the switch. Circuit is open. No current flows through it. Current flows after some time. So, कौन सा combination है यहाँ पर जो correct है? Second and third are correct. Circuit is open and no current flows through it. The electric bells makes use of a U-shaped electromagnet. So, these all you will do yourself. Now, fill in the blanks with the suitable words to complete these statements. Point number 1. A fuse is made of a wire which has a low melting point. An electric fuse acts on the heating effect of the electric current. The filament of a bulb is made of tungsten. A device with two or more cells combined together is called a battery. The shorter line in the symbol of an electric cell represents negative terminal. The symbol of an electric bulb is point 6. Again I am doing. The symbol of an electric bulb is a circle with a cross inside. The fuse wire is made of an alloy is tin and lead. A current carrying coil that acts like a magnet is a solenoid. Okay? Now these two you will do yourself. State whether true or false. Number 1, an electric bell has no electromagnet. False. An electromagnet attracts all pieces of wood. False. The switch in the on position shows an open circuit. False. Fuse wires that melt and break easily have no use in electric circuits. False. An electromagnet is a permanent magnet. False. In an electric circuit, a fuse is a device to prevent possible fire. Yes, this is true. A combination of two or more cells is called a circuit. This is false. Our body is a conductor of electricity. True. An electric cell produces electricity from the chemicals in it. Yes, this is true. A stream of moving electrons in a conductor is called an electric current. Yes, this is also true. So, my dear children, I hope that this chapter is clear to you. Kindly read it again yourself and give the answer of all questions which we left here. Thanks for watching. We will meet soon with the next chapter. God bless.